Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lummel again. Got another good looking stock combination of a good long-term picture and a good short-term picture. Very solid trading action on this. This is AR Antero Resources Corporation. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Let's break down the cycles on this. First off, coming out of the base, you can see a very strong, steady uptrend from 2020 to the peak in 2022. This one has about a 55 or so BMI. Depends on where you measure off the bottom there. It's also a vector about 1.5. Pretty fast once you get out of a breakout zone. So cycles on the pullbacks. First cycle TD9, it's a 2.5 month or 50-day cycle. Second cycle is a TY-1, a little bit over that on the cycle set there. But as you can see, once you get that second line set, basically retest at the first bottom, which was in that $20 PPP zone. Popped out of that, set the TM6, and pulled back inside of that, tested that $25 PPP zone. You can see over and over and over, these prices just fall in and out of those psychological price points. So did confirm right here in November. Got a good breakout of it. I was watching the intraday action when I entered the trade, and it very quickly moved off the lows today. This is a Thursday, and generally you get pretty good follow through on Friday on the bullish side if you got a bullish uptrend. So hopefully we'll get outside of this, but good action right there in that PPC zone. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you could find our club lingo at bigkahunatradingclub.club/lingo. Let's look at the long-term picture here and then some targets, and then we'll wrap up here. So the let's look at the weekly chart on this. You can see the IPO was back in 2013, 2014. So very long trend line. This is again TY-3 plus, a little bit over the 7-year cycle. And once that's set, we basically been inside that since, let's see what the date is on that, 22. So about 2+ years on the sideways action. But again, real good trading action coming off that. You can see these are quality psychological price points. So it held $20, held at 25 on a retest, and so I think that we'll get some resistance in that $50, maybe a little bit over 50, pull back, retest it, and long term, if we can get above that IPO high at 70-ish, this thing can run. Let me see here. We probably gonna get. Let's look at the. This is gonna be, wow. Out here, it's going to be in that 10 to 13 year cycle. So that's going to be a huge cup. So this is definitely one to watch if you get a quality price action up to that handle area and a soft landing pullback off of that, because you got a really good high BMI cup. And who knows how far it can go above that. But again, it's pretty good trading action so far. I would think first real good target would be at $50 PPP at that prior U pivot where the TY-3 plus set. Again, AR Antero Resources Corporation. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.